I'm Nick Wenner. I'm with Pallet Service Corporation and Grove Wholesale Lumber. We currently use most of the modules within the PalMate software. We started out with just basic order entry and then built on some of the production scheduling pieces. Then we followed up with some of the inventory basic transactions, and now we're on to cycle counting and inventory verification practices. So over the last 3 years, we've really tried to make a full sweep to hit as many of those modules within the software as we can, because it's so nice to have all that data that's formatted the same way, that all just ties together. If you can enter it once and use it multiple ways, that's exactly what we're looking for. One of the key takeaways or targets that we went after when we signed up with PalMate was we really needed to get a handle on our inventory. Inventory for us is one of obviously the biggest components of what dictates whether or not we make or lose money when it comes time to do month-end financial statements. So in the past, we would be doing usually about 6 inventories per year. I think in 2014 we did 6 inventories that year, and now in 2017 we're only going to do 2. And we've been able to trim out some of those inventories because we have the inventory functionality that's working. We have all of our inventory barcoded that we transact in and out as it's going, coming into the plant on the trucks, going through the workstations, and going out on the trucks. So that's just been huge, and now we can get real-time numbers in terms of where our inventory values are. So one of the key benefits to the software for us on the back office side has been just the end-to-end visibility of all the data throughout the company. For example, when an order gets written in PalMate, the person that's taking the order can write all the details for that customer, for each line item on the order, exactly how the customer wants it. And all of that data flows directly to the production floor so that the guy building that particular part can see exactly what the salesperson requested, which is something that we never had before. In the past, it was always a word of mouth type transaction that we would just have to more or less hope that the data would get to the end user in the way that was intended. So now on the shipment side, when the order is done, we're able to just mark it shipped or mark it ready in PalMate, and conversely, everybody in the front office can see the status of the order that they placed yesterday or 2 weeks ago. All the data is right there, it's in one place, and it gets updated from end to end.